I was in an accident yesterday. Okay, I rang up Venkat Pichuman. You can see some of the bruises here. You know, the rest of them, thankfully, are hidden from sight. So I rang up Venkat and I said, "Hey, Venkat, I'm not going to be able to make it, okay, because of this accident. I was really shaken and all of that." But then I decided today I was feeling a little stronger, less crying and all of that. I went for another bike ride, and then I said, "Okay, I have a story to tell. Let me come and tell it." It's not the same story that I planned to tell yesterday, but it's about yesterday's ride. And you know, every ride and every run has its own story. Okay, so yes, I'm a runner. I run. I don't bother about timings or anything like that. Yes, I'm a cyclist. I cycle too. I've done several long rides, and you know, we don't need to get into that. But yesterday, I left home. It was pouring rain. People think chai, pakoras, football. I said, no, long cycle ride. Chalo, let's go. So the husband was yelling away and saying, "Kya pagal ho gayi hai? What the hell are you doing?" I said, "Nahi boss, jata hai. You know, kida hai. I have to go. It has to be worked off now." So he said, "Forget it, yaar. ये तो बाप की नहीं सुनी, मेरी क्या सुनेगी? जा." So, ठीक है. I pushed off. And there I was cycling out of my house, and you know, about 7 kilometers later, I said, "You know, ये दबाने से कुछ हो नहीं रहा. The bike is not slowing down." So I said, "Oh, the brake has come off. Acha, all right. Now what to do?" So think about it. If somebody had to come and hand you a bicycle and say, "Can you fix this?" What would you do? I mean, I would just say, sorry, you know, no clue. Here I am, I ride up to this guy who's making kanda poha, okay, on a roadside stall. It's pouring rain. I go up to him and I say, "Bhaiya, थोड़ा साइकिल का दुकान किधर है बता सकते हैं?" He said, "क्या प्रॉब्लम है?" So I said, "ये ब्रेक पूरा खुल गया है, देखिए ना." So he comes out of there armed with a pakad. You know what a pakad is, that thing you use. And I'm now trying to protect my bike and say, "No, boss, this is मेरी जान है इसमें, don't touch my bike," kind of thing. He says, "Madam, मैं गाड़ी का मैकेनिक है." अच्छा, तो कंधे पोहे क्यों बना रहे हो बॉस? So he's like, अब बनाता है यार, तो देखने तो दो. So he comes and he looks at it and he starts putting something here and there. Somebody else lands up and says, "अरे ये देखो, ये दो चीज़ है, इसके अंदर ये तार डाल दो." A third guy comes and says, "ये स्प्रिंग निकल गया, ये लगा दो, ये लो ब्रेक हो गया, ठीक जाओ." I like, अरे it's actually ठीक. So I said, "Okay, fine." किधर जा रहा मैडम? I said, "सिद्धि विनायक." And this is near the Vashi bridge, okay? He's saying, "मैडम, क्या हो गया तुमको? इतना बारिश का ही दिन मिला था." I said, "आज मंगलवार है ना, जाती हूँ मैं." So I'm not particularly religious, but कोई बहाना तो चाहिए. So ठीक है, मंगलवार है, मैं जाती हूँ. So he said, "हाँ हाँ, मंगलवार है, जाओ जाओ, very good." So now I'm pushed off. By the time I've reached Devnar, which is my, you know, where my cousins live, I had already waded twice through ankle deep and knee deep water and all of that, pushed the bike through this, that and the other. And then I said, "Chalo, idli vidli khaya jaye." I'm a South Indian, so my cousins obviously are too. So I went into their house and they gave me idlis. And then I said, "Yaar, ab aage nahi jate hain. It's too rainy, let's come back home." And then I'd been watching these clips the previous night of the, what is this, your Tour de France. So here I am thinking, okay, I'm this ace cyclist, okay, now I'm cycling up Mankhurd flyover with, for all I'm worth, again, I got a cycle, I'm cycling, I reached the top, okay, fine, and now I'm going down at some 38, 40 kilometers an hour, and hey presto, there is this big gadha along the, you know, your expansion joint, and whoosh, to my complete shame, ignominy, horror, there I was, you know, stretched out across the road. And then two guys came, hauled me up and everything, and then after I finished shaking, crying, then the fun began. Because then this one guy said, "Auto mein baitho, main ghar chhodega." I said, "Nahi, main cycle chalaungi." He says, "Baitho." I said, "Okay, boss, baithi hu." Because I was quite shaken. I get inside the thing, and there was this bird-like little woman sitting inside it, okay? She turned out to be the mother of that auto rickshaw guy, whom he was taking to the hospital. Yeah, you know, you meet all kinds of weird and strange things on the way. So this lady is now looking me up and I'm saying, "Kya?" She spoke to me in Marathi, which I barely understood. The auto guy was translating the, whole time. So I'll just do it in Hindi. She says, "औरत होके ऐसा कपड़ा पहन के किधर जाती है तुम?" I said, "बस क्या करेगा यार? साइकिल करने का है." The son in the front is saying, "आई मोठा लोक असं करते." I said, "नहीं मोठा लोक नाही boss." He says, so then okay fine. So then she says, "80s कशाला? Why are you going alone?" I said, "Boss, कोई आता नहीं है, माझा नवरा नाही येते, माझा मुला मुली नाही येते, मी काय करू? My son doesn't come, my daughter doesn't come, husband doesn't come, what shall I do?" So then her eyes lit up. "Acha, you have children, must be respectable, okay." So, so then she says, "अच्छा, तो किती वय झालं मुलीच्या?" So I'm saying, 22, 22. आणि मुलगा तो 25. "अच्छा, लग्न झालं? Married?" I said, "नहीं." She said, "Huh? Kyun?" So, she was now completely disappointed, dejected. When we left, they dropped me to my house. I gave that man some money. She was just like, Lagna, this, that, get inside, wear full clothes, this, that, and the other. I said, okay, boss, sorry. So sorry to disappoint. So, this was one of the experiences. It was all about the people. It wasn't about the fall. You fall several times, when you're doing things. But I think what's important is if you have the guts to get up and go again. So I went this morning for a ride, not a very long one, just about 15, 20K, 17K actually. But yeah, it was good fun. So people keep asking me, why do you run? I keep telling them, this is the only place where it gets better and better as you get older. So I went to this 50K race, the Bangalore Ultra. I came second in my category. Thank you. Wow. Many times people have to be prompted to clap. Yeah, what is this? 47-year-old woman came second in race. Got a clap, no? So I was so excited. I called up my kids. Okay, they're now in university. It's in the middle of the night for them. I'm calling them and saying, hey, look, I won this. I came second in my category. My son is like super excited. He's an innocent chap, poor thing. He said, yeah, very good, ma, wonderful. I called up my daughter and I said, baby, I came second in my category. I got second prize in the 50K race. She says, wait, what category is this? I said, it's the category of very, very old women. And then, that's my cue. Got to wrap up. I'm not as nervous as I thought I was. And thanks so much for smiling and laughing. But yeah, she says, yeah, so what category is this? And I'm saying, it's the category of very, very old women. And how many women were there in this category? I said, 2? Okay. I mean, think about it, okay? At 47, I got a prize. I came second in a running race. I'm saying, man, I killed it, okay? So there's a lot of reasons that you can think of for running or for staying fit or just being outdoors. One of them, I just saw my friend Don over there. We call him Don. His name is actually Dhyanesh. Don, why? Because Don ko pakadna mushkil hi nahi namumkin hai. Okay? He's one of the fastest runners. I think he's the fastest runner of Navi Mumbai. I don't know what else he is. He went to Boston Marathon. I won't even try to say his timings or anything. So this one time he was running, okay, and I was cycling. So I said, come Don, I'll hold your water bottle, you run and I'll cycle. And Don is maintaining this blistering pace of some 225 or something per kilometer, 3 or whatever. And I'm cycling, pretending to find all these gaddhas. You go ahead, mera cycle mein kuch ho gaya hai, this and that. I couldn't keep pace with the man on my bicycle, okay? So you meet all kinds of inspirational characters. You have the best of the times, whether you're alone or you're not alone, you're never alone. It's just super great, and I've met such wonderful people. There was a lot more I wanted to tell. Apparently, I talk a lot more than I thought I did. But so yeah, I've just been having the best time since I've started running, and I think I've lost about some 5-7 kilos, but I think I've lost about 25 years of my age. I've become that much younger, that much more energetic, and that much happier. So yeah, thanks for listening. Thank you so much. Thank you.